Hi everyone, welcome to the channel.
Well, not everybody.
Well, that's true.
Because there's a few of you out there.
That's right. We've had some recent issues and stuff that's come up, and we've got to address it.
Yeah, and since it's the end of the year, we just want to get it out on the table once and for all and just be done with it.
Yeah, I don't know if there's haters, if you want to call them haters, but yeah.
We normally don't get a lot of hate comments.
That's right.
But we have recently.
And so we're going to address this right after the intro.
Are you even excited? Worried that I'll move on and walk right out. I'm up all night, keep pretending, save the world. I'm up all night, keep talking, yeah. Worried that I'm out of
So we're not at a normal campground.
Nope.
We're at our daughter's campground. And so for the last several months, we've been working to get to this point. Now, we're not done yet.
Not even close.
Yeah, but because of those videos, we've had, I'm just going to say it, we've had some haters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Things like, okay, why are you going through all this trouble? Or
Leave her alone.
leave her alone.
Let her live her
own
life. And that's not how it is.
No.
So this video is kind of, it's here at the end of the year, and we kind of want to set the record straight and kind of give you a sort of a little peek into, well, what it's like here at her campground and why she wants us here.
Because let me tell you, it's not free by any stretch of the imagination.
That's exactly right.
I think Blue Water Key or Disney would be a lot cheaper.
Oh, I think so too. Yeah. So we're gonna kind of let you guys see it, and we'll kind of show you some of the stuff that's been happening. As usual, Jordan has been in and out this stay.
Yeah.
With getting stuff.
Oh yeah, she's been here.
Oh yeah. I can tell. Yeah. So. Speaking of the devil. Okay.
I'm sorry. I can come back.
Oh, come on in. This is all about you, anyhow.
Ooh, really? Don't mind me.
So what are you in here now this time?
Oh, I need provolone.
Okay, so this is kind of like a standing joke with her. I mean, Jordan's a great meal planner and everything, but we're like the auxiliary pantry.
Yeah. Well, to be fair, you guys are eating, everything over at my house.
That's true.
So I have to meal plan for extra servings. So, I mean, technically this is food that you guys are already eating anyway. I'm just transporting it over for you.
Yeah, right.
Little transfer.
Little transfer, yes. So when we first got here, it was pretty funny because I don't even think we had the slides out for 20 minutes, and she peeks her head in the door. Do you have any cheddar cheese?
Or I'm out of salsa.
Yeah, so it's
or tortillas.
Yeah, or something. Like every day, I think.
It's not every day.
It's just about every day.
I go some days without needing to come over here.
Multiple times a day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this isn't the main reason why I like you guys being here, but it's just an extra perk.
Quite a bit extra. Are you gonna go make our lunch now?
Well, we're having turkey sandwiches, right?
Oh, that's right.
And you like provolone. Dad
I
likes
do,
cheddar, and I
yeah.
have some more sliced cheddar. So I just need your approval.
5-star resort here. Nice, we get our meals and everything for it. So why do you like us here?
Well, why don't I like you guys here? You guys help out with the kids and, provide a nice, safe bujo space for me. And, no, I don't have to worry about somebody else watching them. I can just really relax when I'm over here.
Not only are we the auxiliary pantry, but we're also the bujo retreat.
Yes.
Well, if I was trying to do this, my house, then I would have to, allow some little helpers to come in and they'd want to
help.
They'd want to help, and then I wouldn't be able to really
help.
I wouldn't be able to focus on it, the way I can when I'm over here and they're over there. And I can't hear anything that's going on in there, and it's just
This gives you a chance to have a mom break.
Yes, much needed mental, emotional, physical mom break.
Yeah. Until the kids come over here and want to help. So Juliet was working on organizing my stickers for me. So
doesn't look like she finished.
No, but she got a couple that started, so that's good.
That's good. All right. Another use for the parents.
You help out with the house projects. There's no way I would have finished the tiling the kitchen.
No way.
Or painting the cabinets.
As part of our house project, we are here in Elberton, Georgia, which we're learning is the granite capital of either the world or the United States. The Granite City Museum, or restaurant, excuse me. And of course, the Granite Museum, which we're gonna check out. And this is a little bigger sign here for the museum. Kind of interesting, but this is where they produce, in this city, I guess more of what they call Georgia gray, which is used on tombstones, headstones, monuments, and government, I guess, sidewalks, curbs. And then, of course, a one-of-a-kind solid granite spire, 51 feet high, and it weighs 41,810 pounds. All right, that's a big granite spire right there. Oh my goodness gracious. 41,000 pounds of rock. They have something to do with all the golf ball markers and stuff out there. So we'll check out the museum. And
It's closed!
It's closed? How can they be closed?
Yeah, it's closed! It's Friday!
It's Friday, but it's lunchtime.
Us tourists want to know things.
But it's lunchtime.
In a small town
Yes.
in the south. So.
That's right. So, okay, we have to come back. So we asked around, and they're gonna let us come in and check out the museum. Wow. All right, this is almost like a personal tour. Everything granite.
On the surface, it looks like just any other small town.
All right, a stop to pick out some granite. It's turned out to be a little hidden gem of Georgia. Elberton, Georgia, the granite capital of the world. And I guess that's because of the concentration of granite in this area.
Gray granite.
Gray Georgia granite. That's right, for memorial stones and buildings, and it's gray. So not kitchen countertops.
Oh, and where would there a gas station sign be sitting on a granite?
Makes sense. Here at the
All the way
granite
in
capital. That's right. All right, so that was pretty cool.
That was neat.
Little history, and we came and got our granite here at the granite capital.
Well, that's really cool. Instead of just going to some showroom.
Yeah,
or
Lowe's
store.
and picking out some
No
stuff.
offense, Fern.
That's right. All right, so I'm hungry.
Yes.
Thursday, let's go eat. But this was cool. All right. I think we're...
Hey!
It works.
Thanks to you.
That's new too.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Everything's
So,
new.
I think the tile's just about done. Still got a little piece right there, that end piece.
Ooh, and that's it?
I think that's it.
Oh, I gotta pick the trim right there.
Yeah, but yeah, I think that's done with the kitchen. So yeah.
Finally, you guys have done so much between, ripping out the old countertops, painting all the cabinets.
Your mom did that.
Yes.
That was really nice. That
It
really
is.
changed the look.
Oh yeah, totally brightened it up. And Daddy, you installed all the lights. The one over in the dining room.
Mm-hmm. Yep,
Oh, yeah.
that's been nice.
Yeah.
And you guys finished off. We did the painting and such, but you guys finished off the living room. So
And you and I went shopping for the refrigerator.
that's true. So yeah, so did a lot of stuff, and it looks great.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
Yes.
Definitely.
But one of the things that you like about having us here, huh?
Yes.
Free labor.
No, just the extra hands. I helped with the tiling.
That's true.
Yeah.
You did.
But
You
you
did a great
also,
job.
Mom, then you had to, watch the kids. It's like I literally can't do any of this stuff without you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Because I can only watch the kids and just keep the house running. I can't do any of these improvements. So I just really like having you guys here, just so either the kids can just run off to Nana and Paca's house and it can just be quiet for a second.
Hop, skip, and a jump away.
Oh yeah, they love going down the little magic trail to your house.
Very true.
What are you doing?
Well, most people have a paint booth, right?
Yeah.
Well, so instead
You have a paint box?
paint box booth.
What are you painting?
So I'm painting one of the outlet, the switches for the dimmer.
Oh.
Yeah, so because we just laid the tile, so we don't want to get it, black paint sprayed anywhere, and we couldn't find any of the black dimmer switches. So, well, I'm spray painting it. This is my little box.
So we're your labor.
No,
We're your babysitter.
I feed you.
We're your stalker. We're the help, the handyman, the babysitters. Did I mention that?
You're my therapist. I have someone to talk
therapist,
to.
yeah.
Some adult conversation is nice.
Boujo buddy.
Uh-huh. But I feed you.
You do.
I make the food that I take
and,
from here.
And we've gained how much weight since we've been here?
See, I'm doing a good job.
You are.
All right, watching the children gets a little easier on the one wheel, but as long as I don't crash. Hey, Jules. Right, so there's Jules. I'm watching her. There's John. I'm watching him.
Yes, this is a really nice fire.
Good throw, John.
Have it right now, but I'm getting back when I come back. Yes, I am. Now I will forcibly remove your little body.